Welcome to Inside Central. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to look on the issue or on the matter happened in Parliament where Paul O'Sullivan was giving his testimony. But unfortunately he walked out of the Parliament. He said he is going to a flight. He can't miss the flight. Let's hear what he was saying.
Syndicate has many, many aspects, not just the availability of multiple passports. In South Africa today, you probably have at least 1 million people who have multiple passports. That doesn't make them all members of a crime syndicate. If General Khumalo wants to tailor evidence to point in that direction, let him also tailor the evidence showing what crimes it is I'm alleged to have committed. Because absolutely I have not been involved in any crime syndicates of any nature whatsoever. And that unfortunately is that, yeah, I have reached a point now, Chairman, where I have to go.
No, Chair, he's not going to leave. He's not going to leave. She's going to ask you questions. He's not going to leave. If he leaves here, he's walking out. He's not going to leave until you release him. He's walking out of Parliament.
Yes.
Oh. Chair, he cannot be allowed. He's doing the same thing with Patoy. You can't leave here. We are appearing before us.
Unfortunately, I made it
clear. We don't care about your flight.
Thank you.
You are not being released here. You must be arrested. We'll open a case now.
Pardon?
We'll open a case no. Now. This man must not be allowed to go out of this country.
I did not come here on a summons. I came here of my own free will, and I'm leaving of my own free will.
I think he can go.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
The question that I had for him is,
Mr. O'Sullivan.
he wanted, no, Chair.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
I told him. It's fine. Chair, it's fine. Chair, I think we've dealt with the question.